You know, at the end of a long day, babe, you just want to tuck yourself in and go to sleeps?
Big facts, yeah.
At the end of a long drift day, just tuck my steering wheel in and we're good to go, baby. Wing for the EK was from eBay and it was 112 bucks. That should be the last time we ever have to mod the EK away from this list. Can you guys take a hint? Anyways, welcome back to the channel, guys. Do me a favor, and if you guys are watching this and you are seeing this right now, and this is not the first time, and you're not subscribed, just go ahead and do that. I was looking at the analytics the other day, and the most searched word on YouTube to find my videos is my name. So instead of opening YouTube and typing my name, just subscribe to the channel so you guys don't miss all the new content that we're posting. Follow me on Instagram while you're there. So you guys know I've been learning to drift with the Genesis this year. This is like the first year I've actually gone out and done like motorsport events. Oh, here we go! We've only been drifting 3 times. Trust me, I know the car needs a lot. I need power, I need a hydro, I need an angle kit. In the last video, you guys remember me saying, and then I needed to shift, but I didn't do it because I slid in my seat. So putting a hydro in there is no good if every time I pull the hydro, I'm literally flopping out of my seat. And seeing as I don't want to move this massive box from my homies at D&D, we're gonna start right here. Yo. Your boy's always out here hooking me up with so many extra goodies. Bunch of extra goodies. Thank you, boys. But onto the absolute best part. Damn. Little Alcantara piece, and down here got the diamond stitching, and it's purple, boys, to go with everything else that we're already starting inside the Genesis. We already have the purple steering wheel, purple short hub, and quick release, so you guys know we had to do it with the purple stitching on the D&D seats. So these guys are the Monacos, I believe they're called. Monacos racing seats, and these ones are the small ones. I'm not that big of a dude, so I figure the small seat should be minty, dude. Like, I'm talking, I fit this perfect. These are rad. So they come fully assembled too with like a little bracket. So this is the slider. So this, I guess, is this technically like the seat mount. I know D&D makes different brackets and different stuff, but they don't actually make one for the Genesis. They don't have any way to put these into the Genesis. And so that is where this final box comes into play. Planted seat bracket technology. I'm sure they pretty much just go by planted, but yo, you guys gotta check these guys out. If you need brackets for like literally anything, these guys can make it. They can do it. And not only do they just do the brackets, but they can do like, if I just bought this seat with no mount, no nothing, these guys will hook you up. So these are like just a super solid, I believe, powder coated. Has a little seatbelt thing already included, which is extremely nice. Why you need so many clips for, dude? Bro, that is the upgrade. It's a heavy seat. I picked it up with like burst of energy. Yo, that seat's gotta weigh 30 pounds. 55.4 pounds. 34 pounds. Like, yo, we're still cutting 40 pounds out of this car by just replacing these seats. To be honest, I thought that was gonna be like more of a dramatic thing. These seats feel a lot lighter than 30-something pounds. Aside from 25 cents, we got nothing good under this seat. Just some yuckies. Alright, so I'm gonna go as far as to say this is the passenger side. Let's just dump it in here. Make sure it's actually gonna fit before we get too excited. Minty, dude. Look at the That's dope. I'm gonna use these center holes. Try to keep the seat as centered as possible because that should make sense, right? Almost killed the camera lady. We get to go. And my seatbelt light won't come on. Would you like to do the honors?
I'm sitting in it?
Yeah?
Yeah. Is it rude of me to say they're probably comfier than
Oh, I don't know if you could say that. But it's true, right?
Instantly, I was like prepared for my back to just be like uncomfortable.
Yeah. Oh, dude, you look nice. You're like sitting... Ooh. Ooh!
It rolls really nicely on the seat.
Yeah, I'm glad. Don't wear out my new seats. It's good? Everything's good? You agree? It all feels good? Everything's good? We're all good?
I think so.
You like them?
I think so.
Yo, these are so tight. Check out, I don't know how well the camera will see this. That's so rad. These seats look so cool with all, like, once you see the car as like a whole. The coolest part is gonna be when I get like a giant purple hydro from D&D. So fire with the matching purples. And like, they're pretty solid too. Like, they don't really move a whole lot. Check out the difference between like, now I'm gonna call this a real seat. Sure, this isn't a $2,000 registered, certified, whatever seat, but this is a real seat. This is a real company making a real seat. This looks pretty cool. Maybe even almost as cool as this, but this one, guys, this one's fake. Aside from the fact that like, I made these brackets, so they're not that great. If you just like wedge the bracket, check this out. Look at how much this seat moves. Like, that's a fake seat. 100% a fake seat. Check this thing out. When you push it, nothing. There's a little bit of movement in like this rail, which is what you guys are seeing, because it's a slider, right? So it's gonna move a little bit. I'm like straight up pushing this seat, and look at it. I'm moving the whole seat, but it is not warping at all. It's just a nicer seat. All in all, it's a nicer seat. It looks super rad. The little D&D logo is like nice and sleek right there. We got our planted logo nice and sleek on the front.
Oh,
yo,
wow.
They seem to hold you pretty good too, dude. The hell. Yo, these are tight. These planted seat rails, they're planted.
They're planted. But
And they're actually pretty comfortable, eh? They're not bad.
really
I might do a
actually.
slight mod where I space the front so that the whole seat reclines just a little bit, because underneath my leg is kind of missing, forgot how good the brakes were. Underneath my leg right here, I feel like there's a little bit of a gap. So I kind of want the seat to be like just a little bit more on a tilt, and then that will feel more comfortable and natural on the legs, I think. But other than that, dude, this is mint. And like I said, these are just like the intro to me being able to do the rest of the in-car stuff. Like the hydro now, I can base off where the seat goes. And I think we officially can't get out of this thing without taking the steering wheel out, boys. Somehow, I got into it. There's no way I'm getting out of that. Anyways, I think semi, most importantly, they just look dope. You know, at the end of a long day, babe, you just want to tuck yourself in and go to sleeps?
Big facts, yeah.
At the end of a long drift day, just tuck my steering wheel in and we're good to go, baby. It's actually sick.
Like a little
I'm actually
shower cap.
I'm gonna need like a bunch of these, boys. I'm gonna need a bunch of these. It won't get baked in the sun, it won't fade, it won't get dirty, dusty, whatever. Anyways, that's gonna be all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys like these seats. I hope you guys like the install, and hey, stay committed.
What's this hole for?
That's for a 5-point harness.
Like-
So you'd be like down here, down there, then you'd have one that comes up through here, and the other side, so they'd both come to the center, and then it'd be like little Wiley's baby
what I was
seat.
just gonna ask,
Yeah,
if
it's like
it's just-
Wiley's baby seat.